Configuring discussion forum and email settings in the WebCloud. We will see some more general settings of the WebCloud. These settings are important while running a WebCloud site. First, we will configure email settings. This is one of the general email settings for the application Ion, so that we receive email correctly. This site is hosted in GoDaddy server. So, GoDaddy settings re-applicable here. If the site is hosted in any other dedicated servers, then, this settings will be different accordingly. Another important aspect is the file manager. If you want to upload and store a file into the website server, you can do it using this feature. Here, you can create a new folder. Give a name to the folder and click Create. See, the folder is created and listed here. You can upload different types of files here, for example, HTML files, GIF images, etc. Let us see an example. Upload a JPG file. See, uploaded file is here. If you want to get the path of the file, just select the file and click on the Show URL here. See, you will get the full path here. You can use the URL userdata/custom/name to set the relative path in HTML editor. Let us see an example. Go to Admin Home and select Manage Web Pages. Select the Edit menu option and edit home page. We will insert an image here in the HTML editor. There is the option to insert the image here. Select this option. Enter the relative URL of the image here and click OK. Now update. Go to the home page. See, the image is updated here. To make the image responsive, go to HTML editor and here, type class equals img responsive. This is a bootstrap class added to make the image responsive. Now, see, the image size becomes automatically adjusted to the browser. This WebCloud application is actually built on the Bootstrap framework. You can see the feedbacks here. This is location master settings. Now, we will see the discussion forum settings. Let us create a forum. Give a forum name. Different types of forums can be created in the WebCloud site, say, bug tracking forum and blog. For the time being, I am keeping it as none. Give a description. If you want, you can set group mail ID here. Group mail ID is set, so that email notifications related to the forum will be sent to specific email IDs. Once the forum is set, go to Topic Settings. Select the forum name. Set the topic name. Give a description. Click Save. We had created C++ forum topic. Add one more topic, say for Java. Here, I had actually created a forum and added two topics. This is a public forum, anybody can create threads here after simply signing into the site. We already had created a forum page. Now, set the forum for the page. Edit the forum menu and set our forum here. Go to the forum page. See the topics are listed here. Select a topic here. See here you can start a new thread. If you log into the site, you can do all forum-related tasks here. Let us see some more important features. We can create new pages using dynamic table and newspaper template settings. Using the table, you can divide the content regional into rows and columns. Actually, the content is given as matrix. Email settings is one of the important settings. You can access all the configuration settings which we had accessed using Setup Wizard, from the admin home directly. For example, go to the default settings. See all the settings, which we had accessed from the Setup Wizard one by one is here. Once you are comfortable with the WebCloud, you can directly configure everything from this form without going through the wizard. This way, site can be made more flexible.